Hi, sir, what's your full name?
Douglas George Willis.
Alright, counsel, do you waive reading? Alright, sir, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea for you. You do have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. I'm appointing the public defender's office to represent you. The pretrial services is recommending that I release you under their supervision. The state is asking for a $75,000 bond. Defense counsel?
I would ask the court to follow the child's recommendation. He doesn't have any priors. He has lived in the community for 28 years. He also has verified housing that's separate from any minors that would be with his sister-in-law. He is currently employed full-time. The charges themselves also do not involve any direct contact with victims. So I think he would be a good candidate for pretrial release. If the court is not inclined to do that, I'd ask for a much lower bond than what the state is requesting, no more than 5,000 cash or secured.
Based on the nature of the charges and the probable cause statement, I'm going to set bond in the amount of $50,000. That is a secured bond. Sir, if you post that, you're released to pretrial services. You're not to have any alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons, and submit to all monitoring or treatment that's directed by pretrial services. I'm ordering that you do not have any unsupervised contact with minors. That means you cannot be alone with anyone under the age of 18. I am going to, I already appointed the public defender's office. I'm setting a preliminary hearing on September 18th at 1:30 in the afternoon. Sir, that court date is very likely to change, so if you do post bond and get released from custody, make sure you stay in touch with your attorney and with pretrial services. That way they can tell you when your court date is and you don't get a warrant for missing it. Do you have any questions, sir?
Will I be provided with these dates and all the information?
Yes, you'll get paperwork, so you'll have all this in writing.
Thank you. And how do I reach out to my attorney, or does my attorney reach out to me?
Well, the woman next to you is from the office where your attorney works, and she will bring the paperwork back to that office. Then they assign it to a lawyer. Generally, somebody will come to see you within 2 business days, so I would expect that you probably get a visit Friday, possibly Monday. You can call the public defender's office for free from the jail, and you'd have to ask jail staff about how to do that, but there is a way to do it.
And can you please tell me what I need to do to post bond or to get that started?
The attorney next to you can answer that for you.
Thank you.
All right, thank you, sir. Good luck.